Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your analytics with Google Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section, located in the lower left corner. In the account column, select the account you want to secure. Next, go to the property column and select the property for which you want to set permissions. Click on Property Access Management to view current user permissions. To add a new user, click the blue plus icon in the top right corner. Select Add Users from the drop-down menu. Enter the email address of the user you want to invite. Choose the permissions you wish to grant, such as read and analyze or edit. Click Add to finalize the new user's permissions. To adjust existing user permissions, click on the user's name in the list. Select the permissions you'd like to modify. Once finished, click Save. Ensure two-factor authentication is enabled for your Google account. Navigate to your Google account settings by clicking your profile icon. Select Manage your Google account. Go to the Security tab and find the Two-Step Verification section. Follow the prompts to enable two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Monitor user access regularly to ensure compliance. Periodically review and remove users who no longer require access. Regularly audit the permissions associated with each user. Document any changes made to user access for accountability. Stay updated on Google Analytics security best practices. Utilize Google's resources and support for additional assistance. Remember to educate your team about the importance of analytics security. Implement strong password policies for all users. This helps protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can secure your Google Analytics account effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.